So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus from your HTC U12 Plus. So if you see something like that when you're trying to visit any site, or you have a lot of spamming you have a lot of spamming notifications, that means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So let's start from the first method. Open the settings and go to the apps. Now choose CL apps. And now check all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you haven't installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just select it and click on install button. Click OK. After that, go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. In my case it's Google Chrome. Then select the storage and choose clear storage. Tap on the clear all data and choose OK. After that, your web browser shall be free from notification software. But you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm gonna show you how you can do it in the Avast app. Okay, we got it, so let's open. Tap on the Get Started button and choose Skip. Choose Continue for free and tap on the Continue as free again. Now click on the Start Scan button and hit OK. Now we have to add a permission to the files. Then scanning process starting automatically, and after that your phone shall be free from any unwanted software that you have on your storage. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.